Well, this is the first one of 3 of my new shout outs today for small channels. Growing Joyfully Homestead. It's a wonderful channel. They have 35 followers, including me, and 104 videos. She's new and she needs our help and support. Now, the reason why I shout out these small little channels is because I want to help them get growing and moving. And we all need to have new friends, works both ways. I've been doing my channel for 9 years, and the reason why my channel is continually growing about the same rate every month is I'm always looking for new friends, plus staying friends with old friends. We need to build our channel up as best we can. Look for these small channels that need our help. This is a great gardening channel. She has a lot of great content and has quite a few videos to watch. Please go over and give her some love and let her know that Grandma Sandy sent you. Come on, let's get and help these small channels. It's also going to help us build our numbers up also. And as we're helping them, they're helping us. They pick up different people than we pick up. We check out their friends and the ball starts rolling. That's the only way you're going to build a channel is by helping others, and they will help you back. Look at her beautiful tomato harvest. Doesn't it look beautiful? She's got a beautiful garden, as you can see. I've been sharing pictures of it. Come on now, guys. Let's get out there and help our new friends that are trying to build a channel. Remember how hard it was the first 10 you had to get, and then you got to 20, then you got to 40. When you get to a certain point, it doesn't seem to be as hard. You just need the help in the beginning. Now this one is a really new channel, as you can see. She's got 16 followers, that includes me, and she has 8 videos up. And I think you're going to like her. She lives in England, countryside, with her husband and animal family. And she does a wonderful job on her little gardens that she shares with us and does some review videos too. Considering that she has a very small channel and very few followers, she's got quite a few views, as you can see. The first one here has 4 views. It's only been up 51 minutes, so that's not very long. And this one has 42 views, and it's been up 7 days. And as you can see, she's sharing her little fur balls, friends and family with you on this one. And then she's on vacation tour in Norway. That one got 105, and that was 2 weeks ago. So it's a great channel with lots of variety on it. And she does some reviews also. Watched one of those videos. So let's try to help our new channels as much as we can and make some new friends, my dears. Give them some support and love. Go check them out. If you don't like gardening, you don't like vacation videos, you don't like to see fur babies, maybe you wouldn't like this channel, but these are things that I like, giving me lots of great ideas of what we can do in the future. And I'm always looking for some good gardening channels. Now here's another great channel hopefully you will go check out. She's got 74 followers, including me. She's got 54 videos up, and she does a lot of gardening and cooking and a lot of great chit-chat in her videos. Go give her a check out and see what you think. You know, when we start out, it's very, very hard to get those channels moving in the very beginning. Remember what it was like. At least I still do. And you know, Grandma, I always love a good garden video too. I thought her cooking videos were very well done, and her gardening video also was really nice. Come on now, guys. Here's some new wonderful little brand new channels that need love and support to get them going. See if you can go over and check a few of these out. Now, as you can see, one of these videos got 794 views. That was 13 days ago. Oh my gosh, I didn't get a video that got that many views until I've been doing YouTube at least 5 or 6 years. I got a feeling it must be something pretty good. Maybe you should go check it out. And of course, Her gardening video really didn't get that bad of views because her channel is small, 78 views 2 weeks ago. I'm thinking she's doing pretty good on her videos, don't you think, guys? Go give her some love and support and see if we can get these channels moving and maybe get her a few followers. And here's another gardening video. You know I love gardening videos and cooking videos, so go check these videos out and check out this awesome creator. Well, I'm done for today. These are my 3 new channels having to do with gardening, cooking, and maybe a little bit of traveling. We'll have something new next week. You know, most of my channels that I really enjoy a lot are my gardening channels and my fairy garden channel. But I do have other channels I love, so we will share something new following week. You know, we're all having to build our channels bigger and stronger and healthier. And Grandma's out there for the hunt for the small channels that need help. And hopefully some of them will come back and follow us and give us love and support also. We need this, you know, as well as they, because there's always people coming on our channels and people leaving our channels. We always have to be on the hunt for new friends and followers and supporters. So please go check out these 3 channels and give them love and support. Maybe they'll return the favor.